Welcome to Cadalyst SmartCasts. In this webinar, we discuss how AEC professionals can take advantage of reality capture using AI and high-performance workstations.
AEC teams are capturing more site data than ever before. Drones, LiDAR, photogrammetry. The result? Rich point clouds of built and unbuilt environments. But raw data doesn't always translate into usable insight, and time for analysis is often limited. This video, based on Cadalyst's editorial series, written in cooperation with Lenovo and NVIDIA, explores how AI and high-performance workstations are helping professionals across the AEC industry turn raw point cloud data into project-ready datasets, faster, more efficiently, and with greater confidence. Reality capture is central to how AEC teams design, document, validate, and construct the built environment. Today's projects involve scanning everything from underground utilities to highway corridors, bridges, and entire neighborhoods. This level of detail is essential for accurate planning and modeling, but it comes with significant data demands. AEC firms report datasets of 10 to 100 gigabytes per scan, with dozens of scans per project. And that's just the beginning. Once reality capture data is collected, it must be processed. And that's often where workflows begin to slow down. Typical methods involve alignment, filtering out noise, classifying objects, and extracting usable features such as surfaces, elevations, or break lines. Depending on the volume and complexity of the dataset, this stage can take days or even weeks. And without the right hardware, teams may encounter frequent crashes, sluggish previews, or incomplete processing results. Even relatively modest projects can strain traditional systems beyond their practical limits. This is where AI becomes a powerful tool in the reality capture workflow. Machine learning algorithms trained on infrastructure datasets can now process scanned data more efficiently and with greater consistency than manual methods. AI-powered tools can automatically create 2.5D and 3D scenes from images, detect and label features such as curbs, buildings, utilities, and vegetation, segment surfaces for automated meshing or integration into BIM platforms. By automating these time-consuming tasks, AI reduces the manual effort required to prepare scan data, freeing up teams to focus on modeling and design. To take full advantage of AI and reality capture workflows, teams need both capable software and hardware that can handle the demands of large, complex datasets. Lenovo ThinkStation P-series workstations, including the P5, P7, and P8 models, are designed for the kinds of compute and memory-intensive tasks common in AEC environments. These systems can be configured with NVIDIA RTX Pro GPUs, such as the RTX Pro 6000, 5000, and 4000 Blackwell. With dedicated tensor cores, RTX Pro GPUs can accelerate AI tasks like scan alignment, classification, and feature extraction, often in real time, directly on the desktop. The result is a more efficient workflow, less time waiting for data to process, and more time focused on analysis, modeling, and design decisions. The integration of AI and high-performance workstations is having a measurable impact on project workflows. With AI-assisted processing, teams can significantly reduce turnaround times, compressing tasks that once took days or weeks into hours or a single workday. This enables faster handoffs between field and office and keeps projects moving forward. Collaboration also becomes more fluid. Field crews can capture data in the morning, upload it to the cloud, and modeling teams can begin working with that data the same day. As processing becomes more efficient and systems better matched to the demands of reality capture, delays and manual bottlenecks are reduced, helping teams maintain momentum from initial scans through to final design approvals. Reality capture continues to evolve, and AI is playing a central role in that transformation. From initial scan processing to feature extraction, AI is increasingly embedded in the tools and workflows AEC teams rely on every day. When AI-enhanced software is paired with capable workstation hardware, such as Lenovo ThinkStations with NVIDIA RTX Pro GPUs, teams can work more efficiently, process larger datasets with ease, and improve the accuracy of design and planning decisions. Ultimately, it's about getting more value from every scan, every model, and every hour, whether in the field or at the desktop. To explore the full Cadalyst series on AI, reality capture, and infrastructure innovation, go to cadalyst.com/Lenovo NVIDIA AECAI.
Thanks for watching Cadalyst SmartCasts. This webinar was produced in cooperation with Lenovo and NVIDIA. Find out more at lenovo.com and nvidia.com. Keep designing.